How to flip and rotate a video in Edits and Instagram app. Now, I'm going to be showing you the most convenient and the easiest method for you to be able to flip and rotate a video on your Instagram edits. First, open up your Instagram application, head over into any video that you would like to edit by tapping on the plus icon at the center, or you can head out into your drafts. From here, let's just go ahead and post some random videos so that uh, I will be able to show you how you can edit it. Now, there's no actual option for you to be able to just simply tapping on a certain feature. What you can do is just simply head into the timeline of your Instagram edit and just simply use two of your fingers for you to be able to rotate this or flip it maybe into your left or into your right, like so. Then you can also flip it into your right or to do a whole flip. So that's basically it. That's how you flip and rotate a video and edits using your Instagram app.